Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see a topic is document type definition. So it's called DDT. Document definition is used to define the basic building block of any XML document, and this using DDT is specify the various element types, attributes, and their relationship with one another. Basically, DDT is used to specify the set of rules for structuring data in any XML file. For example, if we can put some information about some students in XML file, generally we use the tag student followed by his her name, address, standard, and marks. That means we are actually specifying the manner. So information should be arranged in be a XML file, and for this purpose of the document type definition is used for structuring. Next, various building blocks of XMLs are elements, attribute. So elements are the basic entity. The elements you use to defining the tags. Tags we will well know. The elements typically consist of opening and closing tag. Mostly only one element is used to define a single tag. Then attribute. Attributes are generally used to specify the value of the elements. They are specified within the double quotes. Back type equal to true. The type of attribute of the element flag is having the value of true. Here here example, bag type equal to true. True is a attribute. Bag is a element flag having value true. Then CDTA. CDTA stands for character data. This data will be parsed by the parser. Next, PCTA. It stands for parsed character data. Example, text. So any parsable character data should not contain the markup characters. Markup characters should not contain the parsable characters. The markup characters are or and un. If we want to use less than, greater than, or ampersand characters, then make a use of an, lt, and gt, or ampersand. These two use the PCDA. Then there are two ways by which DDT can be defined: internal DDT, external DDT. So internal DDT is considered the flowing of XML document. So here the XML document, the name is DDT demo1.xml. So here XML version 1.0 encoding utilify the starting XML files document type. Here internal DDT. So if elements are declared within the XML files, so it's called internal DDT. Here syntax is document type, root element, element declaration. The DDT file within the square brackets. Here we are defining the DDT internally. User declaration. This is so. Here we can see the document type. Student is a root element. Within the square bracket we will element student name, address, ADT, element name PCDA, element mark PCDA. So name, address, student, marks, here we will see. Then close the bracket. Then we will student name Anand, address Pune, address closed, student name, marks percentage. Then we will see the output of the screen, student Anand. So this is the output of the Anand screen. Next we will see external DDT. In this type, an external DDT file is created and its name must be specified in the corresponding XML file. Following XML document illustrated use of external DDT. So DDT elements are declared outside the XML file. Here the external DDT file is outside of the XML file. So first we can create a DDT file, student.ddt. So here like element student name address like. Now save the file student ddt, then xml document. So now create xml for as well as xml version. So document type student, student is root name. Next system, already we created ddt file, so student file student.ddt, the external file student.ddt is created. So here output, the same output will be here. So that's all. Time. Merits of ddt. DDTs are used to define the structural components of XML document. These are relatively simple and compact. DDTs can be defined inline and hence can be embedded directly in the XML document. Demerits of DDT. The DDT are very basic and hence cannot be much specific for complex document. Then the languages that DDT use is not an XML document, hence various frameworks and by XML cannot be supported by the DDTs. That's all. Thank you.